As a result of all this action, some drug companies have withdrawn their abusive patent listings for inhalers and other common products like EpiPens. You know, the last few weeks, some of the big drug companies have gotten the message to reduce the prices for some asthma drugs. Bernie's a big reason why that's happened. In fact, 3 of the 4 largest companies are capping the cost of inhalers for many patients. That can be up to $600 out of pocket at $35. There's some progress going on beyond what we've done in the law. But it's about time. And going forward with more competition and more generic drugs in the market, the price could even be less than it is now, coming down. But that's not all. Because of all of you, my Inflation Reduction Act, drug companies that raise prices more than inflation are going to pay back Medicare the difference between what they charge and the inflation rate. This is based on the price of their drugs in 2021. That means consumers will pay less for prescription drugs, and they'll save taxpayers money and discourage companies from hiking prices faster than inflation in the first place. But we want to do more. It's time that drug companies pay rebates when they increase prices faster than inflation, not just for seniors, but for every single American. Every single American. And today's announcement follows action we've already taken to significantly reduce the health care costs for average Americans. We took action to reduce the cost of hearing aids for millions of Americans by as much as $3,000 for a pair of hearing aids. In addition, my administration is banning junk fees on health insurance plans. These are the plans that stick consumers with big unexpected charges instead of covering the care they need. Look, I ended up with surprise medical bills, so hospitals that are in-network can't send you a bill for an out-of-network doctor you didn't choose or you haven't even consulted. I was in hospital for a while years ago, and that happened. Kamala and I are protecting and expanding the Affordable Health Care Act, known as Obamacare, which I might add is still a big deal.